Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn noun. So what is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or anything. There are three types of noun: common noun, proper noun and collective noun. So today we will see common noun. Man, village, cow, teacher, that all are a common names for a people, person, place, animal or thing. For example, boy, girl, man, woman, city, garden, book, etc. are the common nouns. Let's see some sentences using common noun. My mother is a doctor. Here, mother and doctor are common noun. He lives in a village. So here, village is common noun. We saw many animals in the zoo. So animals and zoo are common noun. The children are waiting at the garden. So here the children and garden are common noun. The girl eats an apple. So here girl and an apple is a common noun. The monkey eats a banana. So here monkey and banana are the common noun. My mother works in an office. So here mother and office are our common noun. So friends, in this video we learn what is common noun and we will see other noun in the next video. Thanks for watching.